Hey, what's going on, dudes? It's Chris. Welcome back to another video. And today in this video, I have found this cool website known as webverse.org. It is fun facts actually created by the Internet Archive, which are where are they at? This website right here. These people, um, the internet would load. Internet's slow these days, because that's what's up. Okay, y'all get the point. It's made by the people who made the Wayback Machine. It's basically a map of the internet. Um, in fact, we'll just read this text here. Webverse is a visual representation of the web as a microverse, which is a mini version of a universe. Over 200,000 sites from the Internet Archive are available to explore and discover. See the web in 1996 or 2016. Yeah, it's not updated to 2019, but I have a feeling they'll update it um to the year that is 6 year that is whatever amount of years after 2016. I'm guessing 10 years after. Yeah, 10 years, because this website was actually made for the 20th anniversary of Internet Archive. So in 10 years it'll be the 30th anniversary, and we'll have 2026. Internet will be a very different place by then. Um, but yeah. Anyways, we're gonna explore the 2016 internet today because this internet is a little bit buggy to use, and there's a bug that I want to point out. It's that the search bar, once you start typing in it, it's really laggy, like unbelievably laggy. You'll see my point if the video doesn't like get corrupted or something by the lag. It's already lagging as it is. uh, Excuse me. Webverse open button. Yep, this is the website. Um. Oh god, it's laggy. Let me just change the colors to age. Yeah, there's a color option. It says color by age, domain, and Alexa rank. Age, from what I gather, websites that have like a red color to them are new, and websites that are like purple or pinkish are old. Domain, this I don't exactly know what this one is actually supposed to mean. Alexa rank is just Alexa rank. I don't remember what the coloring scheme is on this one, but you guys can discover on your own. I'll put it in the link in the description down below, as always. There's another internet map that I have. I will cover that in a future video if that's desired. Um, but anyway, there's a story button here, which is just like an automated tour thing. So we're going to hit it and hit this button too. This is a map of the web. The structure of this web is shaped by real world actions. So as you can see, there's Russia, so I don't know what that says over there, Japan and China are labeled. In the center of the webverse map is the United States of America. The web is divided. Here we see how China's firewall has um, isolated it from the rest of the world. I'm pretty sure what that means is just China's just on the outskirts, essentially. The Googleplex, which is just all the Google related sites, which is this massive superstructure right here. It looks really cool when you zoom out. And then the blogosphere, which is just Blogspot apparently, and stuff. Yeah, just Blogspot. Not exactly sure why this is on here. Realistically, it should be part of the Google thing because I believe Google owns Blogspot. I don't know. Don't quote me on that. The PayPal eBay place, which I personally call the Electronic Bay for pun reasons, and also because there's a lot of internet commerce here and money related things and trade and stuff. So it makes sense. The Amazonian cluster, which is just where Amazon is, pretty self explanatory. There's Wish and IMDb, apparently. Um, IMDb is owned by Amazon, so that makes sense. And that's the end of that. Then there's this history button right here, which is just which is basically just search history. The only way to close it is if you click on colors. It's the easiest way, at least. Popular is just a list of websites that are popular based off the Alexa rank. About is just it's basically just a description. You guys can read this by yourself by visiting the website. Yeah, and then full screen is just full screen, pretty self-explanatory. You don't want to demonstrate that; it'll lag everything out. But yeah, so you can go to any website here. So if you really wanted to, you can go to archive.org. Let me copy the URL because copying and pasting it into the search bar is usually the best way to go. So copy, click. It doesn't lag you once you click on it, but once you start typing, it bugs the fuck out. Yeah, and there you go. It's starting to lag. The audio is probably bugging out right now. If there is audio, I hope this actually has audio being made on it. They didn't really assure me. I did enable mic audio though. But yeah, and it doesn't work when you have the HTTPS stuff in it with the slashes and stuff. Same thing with .com in it too. It just you just need to have just the main name like archive, and I think it would work by itself with .org, and then you just hit enter again for the search bar to go again. It's very laggy, as you can see. Well, you don't know if it's lagging, but it just freezes. It doesn't freeze the mouse though, which is interesting. There it is. So you can visit archive.org. For some reason, and this is kind of shameful, it doesn't actually have its own self website inside of this map. Nor does it have the other internet map, but I mean, I guess it's fine. And this is the right side up. How I navigate it is with this green point right here. It's sort of like this universe's version of the North Star for navigation. And then I like zooming out so I can see all the structure, and it looks cool. It looks like neon. But yeah, once you click on a site, it says site information, the URL. Open it in the Wayback Machine, and it says that this website has existed since 1997. But they've been saving data for this website since 1996, realistically, because they've got it from other sources. And then Alexa World Rank is 287, and there's a screenshot of the website. Note the screenshots are sometimes not up to date. Like for example, you can like get a screenshot of YouTube, for example, and it'll be outdated and stuff. It'll be like old YouTube. But yeah. Speaking of which, we can actually go to YouTube, in which what you do is you just I'm gonna go into edit so I can just copy and paste just YouTube. Yeah, there we go. Copy, paste where? Cancel, and there we go. Yeah, it should hopefully fill in as YouTube. If it doesn't, that'll be kind of annoying. It takes a while, as you can see. Oh, it worked. And you can go to any version of YouTube first, as a matter of fact. Well, mainly Google. But yeah, let's just click on it. Hopefully we don't run out of our recording space. Huh, I can still see the counter, and it's not lagging that much. But yeah, there's YouTube. The website has existed since 2005, and it is second place on the Alexa World Rank. And there's the screenshot. This time it's actually updated. Interesting. Anyway, the video is going to end, so peace.